Hi, I'm Arnu from IBC Solar. I'm the head of projects. We are currently on site at Blue Sabaku Guest Farm, where we implemented a fully off-grid system. So the customer actually approached us, and the vision of the customer was to create a wheelchair-friendly environment. So where power, reliability, and accessibility means everything. So there was two reasons we decided to go off-grid. The first one would be the customer is on a base tariff, and doing a SSEG application with Eskom would mean that he had to do a tariff change from a land rate to a Ruraflex, which just means time of use. And we wanted to avoid that cost implications. The second reason we chose an off-grid system was the flexibility of building a system to the customer's exact needs and not necessarily what Eskom limits us to. Besides the challenges with the DB board and the inverter room, we were stuck with a bit of a rocky soil condition. We decided to go with a Schletter above ground ballasting system instead of the traditionally pile-driven solutions. And the reason was that we had such rocky conditions that we couldn't be sure whether to drill or pile drive the uprights. We just kind of skipped that whole unknown and decided to go above ground. So Greenability approached IBC to help them with this installation. So we stepped in as project manager and procurement partner, where we supplied IBC modules, Schletter mounting structure, Victron inverters, and then of course solar MD batteries. How did you experience the partnership with IBC?
I thought it was amazing on it from day one. You were there all the time, offering help.
I believe IBC, you were there from day one, coming to the site visits, having a look at it with Patrick, our salesman, putting together a proposal, helping with the sizing. So that was a lot of support already. And then actually making it possible. We've done big-ish kind of residential and small commercial installations, but nothing as big as this. I think we've never done a project this size, so it was actually a challenge in itself to get a project like this. Been working together for over a decade now, and I think it was a partnership that started since IBC launched. Over the years, we built trust with each other, and so it was easy to go into this.
It's been such an honor for IBC to have completed the first project with such a great partner from the beginning. So I must say, we are very honored to have done this first project with you guys.
Was it the first one?
It was the first one.
How cool is that?
That's so cool, man.